So yesterday we started building a shoe cart application, remember? And in that we said if anyone wants to do a collaboration on this project, you are expected to write a draft for it. And as expected, no one has written. When I asked anyone wants to collaborate, everybody yes, yes, yes. But nothing is free. You have to work for it. So let's start. We will build this application more forward. You sent me an email. Let me check then. Today morning you sent, right? Hmm. Let me check yours. You have built the header part here. Okay, Gopesh, do one thing. The design that you have sent from the a particular website, just try to write a single product code, like write that code for a single product and deploy it. If that is looking good, I'll make you a collaborator there. Header is looking nice, by the way. So this is what we did yesterday, right? The logo, some pages, right? And header part is completed. After this header part, we have to develop our main section, right? Or the products component. Header component is completed. After that, let me first show you a design, how we will show that. So here our header part is completed. After the header part, we will show a different page or component, and inside that we will show our products. At first we will create a search button here that if you want to search for any product. So we'll create the search input, and here we will show our products details. So it will be good that if we are showing only 3 or 4 products in one page. So in this way we will try to use that 3 products, then like that. So this will be our main component. At first we need to generate a component, ng generate component main. Yeah, Riya, we will use card format only. So this time we have generated our main component as well. This one. In the app.component header is working. After that, app hyphen main, because we know that its tag will be app hyphen main only. So we need to import it in the TypeScript file. So it is saying that main works. It is working fine. So now this is completed. We have to open the files related to the main component. This is the main components HTML, this is CSS, and this is TypeScript. Okay, I'll remove everything from here. And at first, what I will do to this main component, I will create a container as first. At first, there will be a container with the class name as main. Now to this main, I will say that its background color is same as our header background color. Whenever you are keeping some content inside it, it will take that background color. And in app component, I will keep a HR tag here so that it will generate a line, right? A line is coming here. After that, our main part will come. Now in this, at first I want to display a input box, and then I want to display a button, search, and you will see input button and search are coming, right? They are coming, and background color is also coming with a line between the header and the component. To this particular main, first thing I will say that it is displaying a flex. It is displaying a flex. And whenever you are displaying a flex, if you have some related content means I want this button to be aside with this input box. So keep them in a single container so that it will not break your code. So I'll keep it here. Okay, it will come in this way only. After that, aligning the items in center. What it will do? It will be aligning the items here. After this, justify the content in center. It will take these things inside center. I will attach some padding from all the sides of 20 pixel. Means left, right, top, bottom, from everywhere it will have a padding of 20 pixel, right? It is having. Now we should design these input box and search button. For that, to this input box, I will give it a ID that search hyphen box. This is ID as search hyphen box. So I will keep it here that search hyphen box. First thing, we need to increase its height to around 50 pixel, and width we will attach here. Keep here around 80 pixel. We can write a 1 pixels border in black color solid type. So our input boxes, we need to increase the width more. Okay, so here you can search for your products. If you're writing something, text size is coming very small, we will increase the font size also. Font size I will keep as 22 pixel, and to this input box I will attach a padding from left of 10 pixels. So content will not be starting from the exactly touching the line. So it will start in this way now. Search button. Okay. Now we need to design our button also. So to this also I will attach a ID, that search hyphen button. Go to CSS. Its height I will keep as 52 pixel, width as 80 pixel, and let's check. Okay. Give it a border. And now they are coming in this way. Cursor pointer we can give. Now what I want is, let's attach one placeholder text for this input box. So here I will write the placeholder, search for your favorite product. Now what I want is, first thing, now this is all about HTML and CSS till now. We will start applying our Angular here. And how we will be applying our Angular? If there is some content inside this input box, then only this search button should be visible, or else it should not be visible. For that, let's start writing its conditions. You are using the main component. What functionality we will use here? Ng if. So open the TS file. Here we need to, either you can import the common modules or ng if. So I have imported the common module, and this input box is having some ID. Now this is my question to you. The problem statement is, if this input box is empty, this button will not be displayed. This button will not be displayed. But if you are writing some content inside this, then this button will come. Then this button will come. So first thing is, we need to have a mapping. So go to TS. Here I will give one search text. Search text will be in string, and right now it is empty. Right now it is empty. The button will be having a condition. So asterisk ng if equals to search text. If it is empty, if this string is empty, so it will return false. I'm not writing search text equals to null, or directly I'm writing. Yesterday I told you that empty string return false and non-empty string returns true. So this search text, this input box is empty, button is not displaying. But if you're writing something, then also button will not come. The reason for the same is because you are not mapping this button. So we have to write the ng model here. This ng model will be linking the search text, right? It is mapping the search text. From where we have to import the ng modules? Forms module. For using ng model, we need to import forms module. So it will build the application again. Right? Now button is coming. Button is coming. Okay. And it is working fine. After that, we need to display here some products as well. For that, this container is completed. I will not use it. Div. I will give this div a class as products, because multiple products will come inside it. And inside this, I will create a container div, and I will give it a ID as product. ID as product. First thing, div ID product. As of now, we don't have any product, so I will create a random. So I will give here a width of 300 pixel and height of 300 pixel, background color red, just to check it's working, that how it is coming. So it is coming in this way. Why? Because parent is displaying flex. We need to change the direction of parent. So here it is displaying the flex. By default direction is row. So we will change this direction to column. And you can see products are coming in this way. But we can attach a row gap here. So row gap of around 20 pixel. The second parent will be displaying in this way. One product will be coming in this way. Second thing is, now I will copy paste this div multiple times to check how multiple products will come. Now multiple products are coming in this way because div comes in this way. That is why I have wrapped all the products in a container as products with the class name. So I will call it dot products. Here first thing I will display a flex. But here instead of displaying a flex, I will display grid. Right? I am displaying a grid, and grid by default will not make any change. So we need to define the columns. So I will write grid template columns 1FR, 1FR and 1FR, means 3 columns I want. So you will see that products are coming in a way of 333. They are not having any column gap and row gap. That is why it is not visible to you, but it will be visible when you are attaching a row gap of, let's say, 10 pixel, column gap of 10 pixel. And this is how your product will be coming. Okay. This is how your product will be coming after that. See, this is the one product, second, third, fourth. Or if you want, you can increase this gap to 20 pixel. 20 pixel. Right. So here, if you are adding one more div, means one more product, it will come here. If you are adding one more, so 3333, they will follow. Right. We will remove this background color and all, everything we will remove. Don't worry about this background color. This is just for checking the things that how our divs will be visible. So instead of this red color, let me show complete white color, because white will also be visible here. So we will keep a background color of white, and let's attach some border radius. Border radius of around 8 pixel or 0.5 rem, because 1 rem is equals to 16 pixel. So you will see that they have some curves now. That's it. Now what we will do is we will remove all the products. We will keep only single product. right? This is coming in this way. Now we should design this product first. For that, I will show you one company that deals with the shoes only. So we will try to check how they are displaying their shoes. So shoes are coming in this way. At first top they are showing the shoes picture, shoes name, price, discounted price, how much discount they are giving, and a button to add to the cart. So we will try to display something like this. So first I will check whether picture is available or not. So yes, picture is available. So this is the link, or you can save this picture, right? You can save this picture, or this is the link. So first I will copy this link and I will go to TypeScript file. Here we need to create that array now, array of products, because we will not be hard coding our products. We will be taking our data from TypeScript. So here at first I will create a products string array, right? Simple way. In this, there will be image, source, shoe name, and price. Three fields will be there, right? There will be three fields. So object. First object I am creating here. I will write image colon and I will keep that link. What happened? Okay. So first I think I have kept the image link, keep a comma, and next thing I will keep the name. So we will follow the this website only, right? So the name is Soul Max Slips Ons Ultra Black, whatever. No need to even read. So kept. After that we have price. After that we have price colon. Here keep a comma and price is 1499. Right? First product is completed. First product is completed. Here now in this product you need to render that. You need to render that. So the parent will be running a loop. So if you are writing ng for equals to let item of products, means one item it will take from this product, and in this products container at first we are displaying the image, then h2, and then we are displaying h3 or h4. Means this is for name, this is for price. So first I will keep the image src equals to, from where src will be coming, item dot image, because we have kept the src in item dot image link. Just check whether image is loading or not. So image is not loading. Okay, we need to wrap it. Item dot image, and you again, let's check the name. So here double brackets, image is loading. This is a confusion. Like in React we write single brackets, in Angular we write double brackets, and I am teaching both. Sometimes these confusions are there. In the second one, what we are writing? Item dot name. Item dot name we are writing. And in the third one, we are displaying, okay, we already have a tag. Here, what we are displaying? Item dot price. And you will see that here it is coming, everything is coming perfectly fine. We just need to fix the image. So at first thing, this product, I will attach one padding here, that it will have a padding of 5 pixel. This in this way. Now we need to increase the width of this image. So what is the width of your product? 300, right? Means the container width is 300. In that 300, you are leaving a padding of 5 pixel from here and 5 pixel from here. Means 10 pixel size you are leaving. So picture size you can keep at 290 pixel, right? Image width you can keep it in this way. So image is here. I will write it style width 290 pixel. Let's check how image is looking. So image is coming in this way, right? Image is coming in this way. But you will see that now we don't have any option to add a button. No problem. We will increase the height of our container. Here price is having one more tag, that rupees and 50% off. This off is generally hard coded every time. So inside this H1 where you are displaying the price, after taking the price from there, I will write a text. Price is to this one. Inside this, I will write here 50% off. In this way it will come. So here it is coming in this way, but we need to change its color and the design. We need to change its color and design. So we can attach these things to someone. Let's say I will create one field here as discount. Discount is a string and whose value is this one, right? In this way. In a string interpolation, we can write discount this time. So you will see same content will come. Now, if you are trying to attach some design to it, discounted price means real price I will keep as 2,999. And off I will remove. Means I don't want to display any off here. So it is coming in this way. I need to write strike through to it. I need to write strike through means I want to cut this price. How you will do that? Line through design you can write, but it will be applied to both. So to this H3 or this, if you are writing a style, you will be writing that text decoration line through. But if you are writing in this way text decoration line through, so it will take both. But I want only the discounted. Then you can use the ng style here. Condition you can write using ng style. How you will write ng style here? ng style is saying that you want styling for discounted section only, not for this price section. Conditionally styling, you will write that you want strike through only on this price 2099, not on this one. Tell me how you will write ng if. No. One thing you can do here, if you don't want to write this h in the same line, you can create another h3 tag, keeping the discount there and writing a style to this, that text decoration line through. But it will be taking the to the next line. Then you have to write one more styling that it will be displaying inline, and the top heading will be also displaying inline. Now they will come in the same line. This you can do, or other methods are also there. As of now, we'll try to follow this one only. Or inline block you can keep here. And attaching padding right to it. This is just a way that you can write it in, but while we are using ng or angular, why we have to write things in different way, right? We have to use the logic of angular only. Now this is your task to find this question's answer, that I want to display line through here only, not on this item price. Yesterday only I think we discussed, or day before yesterday, ng style. Check it, how to write ng styling. Now one product is completed. We need to attach a button here, and button will say add to cart. Or we will not display add to cart icon. We will display a image here, right? As like they are displaying a image and then text. Okay. So at first add to cart, and then we will be writing a image as well. We will write the image. Okay, let's first design it. So it will come like this way, image and then add to cart. We should design our button now. For that we need to increase the height of our parent. So I'll keep it as 400. So on 400 more, we need to keep 350. 400 becomes slightly larger. Now this is fine, right? This is fine. We need this button. We need to increase the height width of this button. And one more thing, let's decrease the width to 250. And image width also 250 I will keep. No, it will not look good. 240. Is it looking good? Fine. You can customize for yourself, right? If you don't like it, you just have to write your own designs. I need to design this button now. So let me display a false image here. Button. and I will give this button a ID. And what is this button? This is a add to cart button. Add hyphen to hyphen cart hyphen btn. I'll copy this ID, go to CSS, kept. I will give it a width of 240 pixel, first thing, and height of around 40 pixel. That's it. At first I am writing these things only. So button will come in this way, right? Button is coming in this way. Font size I will increase here. Font size I will keep around 22 pixel, and it is coming. Now one image we have to display here. Now one image we have to display here. For that you can go and search cart icon, or we can go to this website. I'll keep this icon in my which folder where you need to keep your assets, in src and then assets, and it is not coming. Wait, I'll copy paste. And I will name it as cart.png. Let's try to write the actual source. So assets slash cart dot png, and image is coming in this way. Means image is not good actually. It is having extra size. Okay, you can decrease the width as well, and you can download any other pick and customize it. 35, 30 only will look good. Now we have designed one particular component, right? Now I want slighter space between them. Who is the parent? Parent is product. To them, parent is product. I will display flex, and flex direction I will keep as column. So no change. Now we can attach the row gap, that row gap of 10 pixel. So fine. Now our one particular card has completed. Now for writing the second thing, you just need to add the details in the TypeScript. No need to design the second card, copy paste. Here we are writing one component, this one. This is one object, keep a comma here, and second object. At first image you need to give, after that name you need to give, and then price you need to give. That's it. So we'll go and search for it. See, as of now, it is coming in this way only, right? We'll try to go to that website again. And this is the second one. I'll open. And this is the image link. I'll copy and here I will keep this image. Name, crossover, whatever the name is, just copy and paste. Price for all the products I will keep same. Only the name and image we will change. This is our second component you have created now. And our second component is coming in this way. Okay, we will check it. Because we are running our loop to the parent only. So remove this loop from here and run it here. This is your second component now. In the same way, we will create the third component. At least 10, 12 components we will create, right? So at first, I will copy paste the one object. Keep a comma, keep the third object. Here you can change the name and image link. So this is the image link. Change it. And this is the name. You are just changing the things in TypeScript and Angular is rendering everything in a fine way. Right? Angular is adding everything in a fine way. Why we changed ng for loop placement? We changed the placement because wherever you are writing your for loop, it means that if I am writing the for loop here in the parent div, so it will create, let's say if you have 3 items, so it will create 3 different products div. It will create 3 different products div, but I want product div to be created multiple time because CSS condition, in our CSS condition we have said that this is the parent, so it should be only one, its child should be multiple, but we are writing loop here and check 3 parents are there. That is why we change the position of this for loop, that there will be only one parent, its child will be more. Because CSS conditions we have written by assuming that products div is our parent. And that's how it is coming. We have written one more CSS that it will be having only 3 columns, means fourth shoe will not come here. Fourth shoe will not come here. So whenever you are writing the fourth shoe, so at first I will copy paste these things. So you will see that 3 are coming, right? 3 products are coming. One more thing here, if I am writing, let's say mobile, so button will come. But if I'm clicking on this search button, it is not doing anything. So let's make it working also. For that, we will attach one event to this button. So in our HTML, here we have that button, and this button will be having a click event. And in this click event, what we will say? Search button function. It is calling the search button function. And after this, I will display one h1 heading. In TypeScript, I will create a text string. I will create a text string, that to empty string, right? That to empty string. And here I will use string interpolation by showing result for text. So it is coming in this way. Search button function, let's create here. Search button function. So whatever you are writing here, by pressing the button, it will say that showing result for mobile. As of now, we have attached the event. So write this dot text equals to search text. So let's write here, if I'm writing mobile and clicking the button, showing result for mobile. But I want that entire this thing should come whenever I'm pressing the button. Entire this thing should come whenever I am pressing the button. So write one condition here, that ng if equals to text. If text is empty, it will not show, right? So refresh. See, that is not showing now. I will write mobile and I will hit search button, showing result for mobile. Let's search here laptop, showing result for laptop, and it will be there until and unless you are not removing that. First you have to refresh and it will go, right? That's it. Now, as we want to develop this thing, so we need to change their links and all. So fourth products link we will change. See, I will not change for all, right? Because again, it's a waste of time here in class. You have to change it while you are developing. In the same way, nothing more you need to do. First, second, third, and fourth. So here I will keep the link name. I'll copy, and again I'll give the name here. And you will see that fourth one also changed. First thing you need to do is you need to display a line through text, right? As of now, we are not doing that. Second is you need to write separate links for products and separate name. After this search product button, we should show a carousel, right? We will show a carousel. You know carousel? You know carousel? No? No problem. This is carousel, which is having sliding images, right? Which is having sliding images in this way. For this, we will use Bootstrap. What we will use? Bootstrap. We discussed how to use Bootstrap in Angular. No? Using Bootstrap in Angular. Okay, no problem. We will discuss. For that, you have to go to Getting Started with Bootstrap website. Getting Started with Bootstrap. Go there and it will give you some link, right? It will give you some link. So this is the link that it is giving you for CSS. So copy this link of CSS, copy and go to your project, go to angular.json. Here search where you are writing the styles. So here you are writing the styles. I will write one more style, that too in the form of Bootstrap. Means Bootstrap CSS also I am adding here. Now we will go to Bootstrap and here I will search, or no, don't go here. In the component section you are seeing this carousel. In the component section you are seeing this carousel. Click on this. It will give you a source code. So this is the source code that you need to copy. So copy this source code. Now where we want to display, above the input box or below the input box? Below the input box and above the product. So means here we need to show. So go there and paste your code that you copied from there and go to your Angular. So here three images are coming. It is having three images. It is having three images section, which is not working because you need to write the source of images. For that, let's check, do we have some image? So this logo image I will write every time. So first image is here. I will write assets slash logo dot png, and at the three times I will write that. And three images are coming in this way, so they are not sliding, means Angular is not Bootstrap is not working. For that, Bootstrap was giving us one more line. Bootstrap was giving us one JavaScript file also. So I'll copy this, go to your project and search, go to angular.json again, and here this time you have to search script, that where scripts are written. So paste that script here. That's it. Sometime you need to run the application again, because we know that things doesn't work in this way. So we will run our application again. I will teach you Bootstrap. Just think how to use it. I'm just showing it to you. In one class, I'll teach you this Bootstrap. So Bootstrap is a CSS framework, by the way. We are having error. No such file or directory. So now this time only a single image is coming. This time only single image is coming. Three images are not coming now. Single image is coming. And where are the buttons? Okay, so go back to code. And wait. Here bootstrap is applied because only one image is coming. We were showing three, and but buttons are not coming. We will check it. Carousel slide active. Do one thing. We will use Angular later because if I'm going to teach you these things, you know Angular or not? Sorry, this bootstrap. No, you know, right? You can change the classes and all. Then fine, no issues. I'll deploy the application again. As of now, I am removing that. We will be first applying the Angular topics. And removing the carousel. What happened to our button? Fine. Now next thing that we are going to implement in our application is in the header we will show one cart. We will show one cart that how many products you have added to cart. How many products you have added to cart. For that, first go to HTML and this is the header component. So as of now, I will close the main and I will go to header component. Or else let's create it in the main only, not in header. So alongside with this input box, we will show one image and we will write it srcs assets slash logo.png, and its width we will write as 100. So you will see that a cart is coming here. Cart icon is coming here. Let me reduce its width to 50. This cart icon. In this image, let me show it in a separate container because we have to show a number also. After this, I will show one a paragraph text, and I will write here count, and we will declare one variable in our TypeScript as count, and initial value of count is 0. So cart 0. We will design it later, but as of now, just see that if I'm clicking on this add to cart, this cart should update that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in that way. For that, wherever you are having this button, here we are having add to cart button, we need to attach a click event to this. We need to attach a click event to this, and how we will attach that event? I am writing a function as add to cart. Add to cart. It will call a function as add to cart. Go to TypeScript. Here, let's write that function add to cart, and what it will do? This dot count plus plus, increasing the counter by 1. Let's check whether it's working or not. Right? There are 3, 4, 5 like that products are there in. So tomorrow we will implement that whatever product you are adding, that product should go also. If you are clicking on this cart icon, it should open a different page, and in that page it should show that what product you have added in the cart. Right? As of now, we have added 5 items. I'll click, let's say last one, 6. Right? So if you are clicking multiple times, it is taking. That also we will prevent that if you are trying to add the same product twice, it should not be getting added. It should not be getting added. We'll do that tomorrow, and we'll apply lots of things here. We will design this cart somewhere here, that how many products are there in cart, and lots of things we will do to it. Any question from today's class? Angular is very easy, but CSS is tough. Manu, how CSS is tough? Like why you felt like that CSS is tough? Nothing is tough. Applying logic is difficult. It might be difficult only when you are not practicing. And what I feel, if you're practicing, then it will not be taking too much of the energy from you. Saurabh, why this thank you? Another application is there to build application like Angular. What is this, Karthik? Like I couldn't understand this message. Add Git. We will add this project to Git. Any questions from your side? How many of you have started building this application? No one. What is the need to build? We'll build in companies. Huh? As a fresher, you don't have any experience, you don't have any experience, you don't have any internship. Projects are your surviving medicine here. If you have 3 4 good projects that are displaying Angular and some other things so that you can work here, right? If you don't have good projects, then it will be very tough. They will see your resume. In your resume, they are generally focusing on two things. First, if you have any experience, where was it and what was your position in that? And if you don't have any experience, what is the project that you built during your colleges, schools, trainings, internship? Building project gives you a different kind of knowledge that learning to classes, listening to classes will never give. Because when you are developing project, now how many of you can actually think that how you will build this part, that if you are clicking on this card, it should open a page in which all of these details will be listed. Now if you are developing this part by yourself own, like without taking trainings from anywhere, you will search it by yourself, that how to add something into a cart and show. This is the question, how to add something to a cart and show in Angular. It will open a broad sense of things for you. Pick only one, apply that, right? Pick only one and apply that. If you are getting a fear to say it, how you will get it? Means if you don't know how to do it, you will always be having a fear, right? Don't have fear in building the things. GitHub is free to deployment, Vercel is free, Angular is free to use, VS Code is free to use. And what you are waiting for? Huh? Don't wait for anything. Go for it. Right? Try to build these kind of things. Not only this project. I pick up this e-commerce because lots of logics are there that I will implement. I will not build any front end. If I would have to develop a front end is already completed. I will show you that, oh, we did a project using Angular. But this is not the full Angular. Angular is whenever you are writing the conditions, we will write those conditions. See, front end is already completed. I can close this project. Let's see, everything is working fine and this project we built using Angular. No, we will even write the things to shopping. After adding the cart, you should be able to buy those products by giving a dummy payment, like nothing will you will pay, but it should be getting completed till last. You might have developed e-commerce website before now also, but only front end, not how they will be working. we will be working on this, right? Fine, guys, let's connect again tomorrow. Bye, take care. Fully responsive. We will try to make it responsive. It's not a big deal.